How to install YouTube Kids on Samsung TV. Installing YouTube Kids on a Samsung Smart TV allows children to access kid-friendly content. Follow these steps to download and set up the app. Step number 1, turn on your Samsung TV. Power on your Samsung Smart TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step number 2, access the App Store, Samsung Smart Hub. Press the home button on your TV remote. Navigate to the Apps section from the main menu. Step number 3, search for YouTube Kids. In the Apps menu, click the search icon magnifying glass in the top right corner. Type YouTube Kids using the on-screen keyboard. Step number 4, download the app. Select YouTube Kids from the search results and click Install to begin downloading the app. Step number 4, open and sign in. Once installed, select Open to launch YouTube Kids. Sign in, optional. Use your Google account to create a supervised profile or proceed without signing in. Step number 6, set up a Kids profile, optional. If you sign in, follow the prompts to create a Kids profile. Add your child's name and birth date. Set parental controls. Adjust content filters, screen time limits, and viewing preferences. Important notes. App availability. If YouTube Kids is unavailable on your Samsung TV, consider using YouTube TV or screen mirroring from a mobile device. Software update. Ensure your Samsung TV software is up to date by visiting Settings, Support, Software Update. Alternative devices. Consider streaming through devices like Roku, Fire TV Stick, or Chromecast if YouTube Kids isn't supported natively.